Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and this is your TRX 5-minute plank challenge. So only 5 minutes, we're gonna get core for 5 minutes straight, but don't worry, we're gonna be mixing it up enough that it's not gonna feel like core the entire time. Or maybe it will, but either way, we're gonna get it done. So go ahead and get set up with your TRX suspension trainer. If you don't have one, check out my link and my discount code below. You can get one with a BodyFit by Amy discount. You wanna make sure that these straps are about 8 to 10 inches off the ground, or if you're standing right underneath your anchor point, your handles are at your knees, your cradles are about mid-calf. Let's go ahead and bring it down. So yes, it's all planks, but again, we're gonna be mixing it up just about every 20 seconds or so. So you're gonna love the challenge and the variety. 2 fingers here, place them in those cradles, roll it back, stick your feet into the cradles, roll it on over. We're gonna start with a plank on your elbows, just a regular. Let's bring it up in 3, 2, 1. Your 5 minutes is starting now. So we're holding here. I want you to check that good plank form. You are breathing, but you're lifting up in that core, little pelvic tilt. So hips towards your ribs. You're locking out in your legs, in your glutes, in your core, making sure you're nice and tight. 3, 2, 1, drop it down. Let's do the same thing up on those hands. We got 20 seconds here. Here we go. So your full plank, making sure those hips aren't dropping. Everything is pulled in and lifted. Locking out in those legs. Again, not just letting them drop. Push those feet back into your cradles. Lift up. Again, try to tilt the hips towards your ribs. You've got 3, 2, 1. Back down to your elbows. We're gonna do a little hip drop. So we're bringing it up. Watch me one time. We're here. I'm gonna drop the hip. I'm coming back to center. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Bring it up for 20. Whoo. Drop the hip. Back to center. Drop the hip. Back to center. You're down. You're lifted. I know they're starting to get tired, but you can do it. Remember, it's not very long. And lift. Take it here and lift. Breathe. One more. All the way up. We're back up on those hands. We're gonna bring both knees to the opposite elbow. So lift it up and hold. If you can, bring it up. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 20 here. Back center. Take it here. Back center. All the way through in that center core. You can do it. Staying lifted. If those straps are moving, that's okay. Breathe, take it here, and lift. Last one, yes. Bring it down, roll to your side. Try to keep your feet in those straps. I know it's a little bit hard to do. You're gonna push that top foot into that bottom one, cross it over just a bit, lift up into that side plank. Hold it here. Everything's in, right? Nice and tight. We're here. Whoo, yes, you can do it. Take that arm up if you can. Yes, you can. Keep it going. Bring it down right here. We're gonna rotate that arm into the center and we're gonna take it up. You decide how much you wanna rotate. Bring it up in 3, 2, 1. So rotate and bring it up. If you just wanna touch it down and bring it up, or a little twist, and here, if you're really feeling ambitious, twist it here, bring it up. Hard to do, right? So it's up to you. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna take it to that other side. Try to keep your feet in your straps by rolling through the center. We're gonna do the same thing here. Just a hold, then 20-second twist. Breathe, lift it up. 3, 2, 1. Gotta adjust if you need to. I know normally I have more time to get into this, but we really wanna get this one as a quick burn. I love the quick hits. I have some 10-minute ones as well. Make sure you're lifting those hips in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. All right, you're gonna rotate. You decide how much you wanna rotate. You might feel all over the place like me. You might feel totally steady. Just get that rotation. Here we go. Bring it up. Twist it in and bring it up. Really push those feet into the straps. That's gonna help. If you wanna really turn into it, you can, but you wanna try to keep those arms. Woo! Breathe, right? Keep it going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, turn it back in to the center. Here's what we got, team. One last. We got 20 with our atomic push-up. push up, knees in. Here we go, up to you if you wanna take it all the way down, or if you wanna drop to the knees, pop it up, bring them in. Drop to the knees, pop it up, bring it in. For me, that's too much for my shoulder, so I'm gonna go to the knees so I can get more range of motion, but it's up to you. If you wanna go smaller push-up, knees, that works too. Stretch it back. Last thing, team, we got mountain climber, but we're gonna keep it on our elbows. Join me here. You got a pike, and up, bring it in. Finish it out. We're gonna go full 30. If that is too much with the pike, take it up to those hands. But if you want, keep it low. So in order to make space for the knee, you really have to lift with the pelvis. 10 seconds to go. Make it burn. We've got 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Whoo. Knees out. Stretch it back. Planks with your feet in the TRX are maybe about the hardest core exercise there is. Walk those hands forward, a little stretch through your back. You're losing your points of balance, right? When you don't have your feet anchored on the floor, you have to support through here. You can support through your upper body, but you gotta support in the center. So if this is hard for you, you're doing it right. It was hard for me, you could see that. So don't think that this ever really gets a lot easier. It does get easier, but you'll learn to embrace the challenge if you're new to TRX and that felt tough. Again, the transitions are also pretty tough. Whew. Let's roll through our back right here, cat to cow. So normally in a regular TRX workout, we are not going through the transitions that quickly, but our goal was to get just 5 minutes. So roll through your back, child's pose. Let me know if you like these 5-minute hits, 10-minute hits, things that you can add on to other workouts. Let me know if you want to see more TRX. Make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for being here today. One big deep breath in and out. That was your TRX 5-minute plank challenge. Great job, everybody.